Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hera English School channel. Today in history subject inshallah we are going to see the question answers of the lesson that we had completed last time, lesson number 5, mass media and history. Okay, now let us see on page number 37. The first question is, complete the sentence by choosing the correct options. The first one is, the first English newspaper in India was started by. There are options there. First one is James August, John Marshall, Allen Hume. The first option is the right option, that is James August. Okay. Now the second one is, television is an dash medium. The options given here are visual, audio, audio visual. Obviously it is audio visual. We can see as well as hear it. Okay. Now the first one, B section, identify the wrong pair in the following statements or the match pairs. Okay. Now here you have to write only the identify the wrong pair. Okay. Here the first one is given is Prabhakar, that was written by Acharya P.K. Atre. The newspaper Darpan, written by Balshastri Jambhekar. Deenbandhu, it was written by Krishna Rao Bhalekar. The fourth one given here is Kesari, written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now the wrong pair here is Prabhakar, that was not written by Acharya P.K. Atre. Okay. Now we move on to question number 2, that is write brief notes. The first one which is given here is the role of newspaper in the Indian struggle for independence. Okay. Now we have to write the answer in a brief form. Now as we know, newspapers played an important role in the Indian independence struggle. It is as follows. We can write the first point as, newspapers served as an important medium of creating social awareness during those times. Second point, they describe greatness of the Indian culture and history to gather the support of the masses for the freedom movement. Third point we can write is, they imparted kind of nationalistic education. That was the regional education which made the people strong in their culture. They supported social, religious and political movements and opposed the imperialism. They discussed various social political issues. The ideas of social reforms and various organizations active in independence struggle reached people through the newspaper. Why? Because the newspapers were written in regional language. So here it completes the first question of major question number 2. The second question we come to, that is, why do we need mass media? Why we need mass media? Let us answer it. The first point it will be, mass media includes print and electronic and various new medium. Okay. Second point, it facilitates the free flow of information to the all the stratas of the society. That means all the level of the society the information is given. Okay. Now people are able to watch an event as it actually happens. That means live events are being displayed on the media like television. Then television is an audio-visual media, hence it has a great impact or effect on the education process. Programs like Countrywide Classroom are one such popular programs. So the television did not remain only as a media of entertainment, but it was also the media to give information and educate the people. Television overcomes the inherent limitations of the newspapers and the radio. Readers get a platform to voice their opinions. Okay. Now the last point here is mass media is very important as it plays an important role to strengthen the democracy. These are the simple points which we need to write down while answering the question number 2 of major question 2. Now we move on to major question number 2's third one. That is third question, mass media and professional opportunities. Okay, let us understand them. Mass media includes the newspapers, periodicals which are printed mediums. Electronic mediums like television, radio, advertisement fields are part of it. A new field of public relation is recently added to it. Many professions are related to these medium. Professionals from different fields are hired to work in these mediums of mass media. For example, a computer expert is required for page layouts or typesettings. Now, third point, writers, columnists, editors are required to write articles, columns and editorials in newspaper. Newspapers also require reporters and technicians to work in the press. Now, artists are required to present the programs on television. In the same way, news presenters, anchors are required. Historians required for articles and programs based on history. Here it completes the major question seconds, sub question third. Okay. Now let us move on to major question number 3. Explain the following sentence with its reason. Okay. In this, the first one is, any information received through the mass media need to be reviewed critically. Why we need to analyze it critically? To understand whether whatever the news has came, it is truth or not. Okay. Now let us see the explanation here. First point, information provided in the media may not represent the exact truth. We need to scan it carefully. Second point, we have to understand idealistic and investigative motives of newspapers, government, policies and prevailing social conditions behind the news piece. The third point here is, the information received through mass media might be prejudged or might be one-sided idea. So, Stern, here one example is given. Now, one of the newspaper was there in Germany, it was called as Stern. Stern, a German news weekly magazine, purchased and published a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Hitler. It then sold them to a number of publication companies. However, later it was proved that those diaries were forged. That means they were not really of Hitler. They were somebody else's diaries, but they were just sold in the name of Hitler. Hence, it is essential to verify the information received through the mass media. Otherwise, we can be cheated and we can be given wrong information by the news media people. Okay. Now, the next one we move on to major question third, sub question 2 on page number 37. Knowledge of history is essential for newspaper articles. Why the knowledge of history is newspaper for the newspaper articles? Let us see. The first one is, in order to unfold the background of an event in the news, we have to resort to history. Some columns are based on historical events. These columns provide historical information about economical, social, political events in the past. Okay. Newspapers publish supplements in addition to the regular edition or a special issue to mark the completion of 50 or 100 years of an event. On such occasions, one has to review the history of that particular event. Even while writing columns like what happened in history on this day, it is necessary to know the past event. Hence, the knowledge of history is essential for writing of such type of news articles. Okay. Now we move on to major question 3, sub question 3. The question is, television is the most popular medium. We know it very well, right? Television, being an audio-visual medium, brings us into contact with events in an exciting and clarifying way. It becomes possible for people to watch all international events at home. They no need to go out for that. Now the third point here, discussions on social problems, education, economic conditions and political events are reviewed by people. The fourth point here is documentaries on sportsmen, leaders, heroic deeds of men and women, war are shown on television. Films, songs, games, comedy shows, dance, drama, news and other programs are shown on television. Therefore, television is the most popular media on which all the programs are shown. So it has become famous. Okay. So next time we will continue, inshallah, question number 4. Till then, Jazakallah.